Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. I'm going to kick off a new video for the new year with my most recommended cleaning products. You only need 2 brands of cleaning products. These are going to be from Metal, it's the same brand. And then this is going to be for all your camera lenses. We're going to jump into different use case scenarios and why I like what and what I like best. So let's kick it off with Simple Green here. Simple Green comes in spray bottle form or like wipes form, kind of like Clorox wipes if you ever use that. I personally like the little spray form the best just because you get a lot of use out of it. It says it makes 10 bottles out of this. I personally think that you can even get more from it because it's concentrated. You can dilute this into multiple spray bottles if you have extras. Or I just like to use a little bit, fill it up with water, use a little bit, fill it up with water. You can do that several times until it loses its strength. It holds its strength pretty well as you dilute it. That's why I said I think you can honestly get a little bit more than 10 bottles. It may be right around 10. I don't really pay that much attention to it. But yeah, other than that, this stuff is awesome. The only downside to this is you need to have your own rags to wipe it up with. And if you use your own rags, you want to buy like cheaper rags, but make sure they're like a little bit softer still. That way they have like the pores on them or something and can wipe it up real nice. But you want to buy cheaper ones because you want to throw them away after. You don't want to put this in your washing machine and then mix all of the fibers from your laser, like all that glue and stuff, into your clothes. So just a heads up on that, just use like a clean area. As you can see, I've used this once before. It's kind of got a little degraded coloring in there. Probably just flip it over, use this side, and then repeat until it's trash, throw it away. So that's the only downside, is that's kind of a rebuyable thing. But you can get a real cheap stack. I've got that in our affiliate links in our affiliate shop in the description below. If you want a cheap stack of those, have this. You can also get this right from Walmart. So if you don't want to do Amazon, run down the street to Walmart. They have this usually in the car automotive section. So it's probably the last place you'd look for it, but it's there. It works awesome. This also works great on like car upholstery or carpet cleaning. This thing is awesome around the house in general. So just a heads up on that. You know, that has nothing to do with the laser, but just giving you an extra bonus there. Now, these are the wipe section here. Like I said, it's like a Clorox wipe. If I can grab it here. There we go. So just like that, it's just a little Clorox wipe. I'm not going to pull it out now, but if you haven't seen my cleaning video on the inline fans that you can buy separate from the Glowforge, this is awesome for cleaning the individual blades on those. Yeah, they tend to be used up a lot quicker than this. So that's the reason why I like the liquid better, but this does come in handy because then you don't have to use these. It's all built in one. So pick whichever one you like, whichever one's best for you. But yeah, I highly recommend this product. My favorite product ever, even before owning a Glowforge. That's my favorite cleaning product in general. And I'm going to show you a quick video on this of how I use this to clean the Glowforge. Use it on all metal surfaces. Never spray into the machine directly. Always spray onto the rag and then use the rag to wipe up. I'll show you that on the front door. The front door usually gets the dirtiest the quickest. And I'll show you how easy it comes off, how clean it can get after. So I'll show you guys a quick video of that here right at the end of the video. But before we do that, we're going to jump into this product here. These are the actual lenses, or the lens wipes that Glowforge recommends. So if you look in their actual cleaning guide, they recommend this specific brand. Always used it. Super cheap. You can get these from Walmart too. I've got them in that affiliate shop link below too on Amazon. So if you don't want to go to Walmart, you want to support the channel, you can do that too. They look like little hand wipes. I know there's a lot of off-brand things like Clorox wipes, hand wipes, but these are actually for like camera lenses or your laser lenses. I actually use these on the tube too. So if you want to clean off the top of the tube, the laser tube, I use this on there. I never use Simple Green on that just because I don't want to break the tube. But yeah, other than that, you can do that on the tube. I do use the Simple Green on the top glass and the bottom of the top glass. But I never use it on the tube just to be safe. This stuff works great for the tube and all lenses, including your mirrors in the machine. But other than the glass on top, I only use Simple Green for all the metals in the machine. But other than that, those are the little lens wipes. Like I said, super cheap. I've had this specific box for 5 years, or 4 to 5 years. I don't remember the actual dates, but this is all I've got left from this box. I'm almost up, but luckily I bought 2 boxes long ago, so I still have oodles of these. They last forever. Other than that, though, yeah, let's go ahead and jump over to the machine. I hope you guys enjoy these products. If you haven't used them yet, I definitely recommend them. They're my top 2 favorite brands for Glowforge. Let's jump over. I'm going to show you how to clean that front, the front drop-down tray with Simple Green here. Show you how well it works, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy New Year's. All right, you guys. So as you can see, I've got my front tray flipped down here. It's pretty dirty right in here. I have cleaned this previously, so that's why it's not as dirty up top here, but it's still pretty dirty. I'm going to show you how well this works. I'm going to show you the spray first. So what you want to do is take your rag and spray directly into your rag here. Just get it nice and wet. Never spray directly in the machine like I've stated before. And then you can just take your hand and just kind of work it in there, and it's going to wipe away all of this nasty coloring here. May take just a few strokes, and you'll just work your way back and forth, and it's going to clean it away really nicely. I'm going to add a little bit more spray here, get it right where my finger is, and then it'll just start coming right off when you're wiping it here. And then after you wipe it enough, it's going to just look nice and silver again. Just work your way back and forth. And as you can see, look how clean that is just from working back and forth there. You want to make sure that it's nice and moist on the area where your finger is, where you're working into the crevice. Otherwise, on the actual faceplate, that tends to go away pretty quickly and easily there. As you can see, nice and silver. Let me go ahead and show you guys the wipes really quick. So let me get one of those out here. So here's one of those Simple Green wipes. They're not as moist, so this is why I prefer the other one, but they still work just as good. As you can see, since it's nice and saturated, it's just eating that yellow away. You see that? Look at all the stuff that it pulled up off of that. Really nice and clean. You just wipe it away, just like that. Look at all that stuff it pulls up there. So yeah, Simple Green is awesome. This can clean any metal surface in your Glowforge. Just make sure if it's a delicate part, you're really careful. And then it'll also clean your crumb tray right here. This handle tends to get super sticky. Look at this. Just wipe it away, and it looks like a brand new handle again after you get done here. And look at all that crap that it pulls up off of there. Other than that, though, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really recommend Simple Green. I'm going to finish cleaning this, so it shouldn't take too long here. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know how Simple Green and those regular lens wipes that you're already should be using are working for you, though. We'll catch you guys in the next video.